So guys, just wanted to let you know, this is my first video. I'm starting my e-commerce business with my corporate job. I'm working in a corporate company right now, but I wanted a side income, so I'm starting my e-commerce business. I came in here to meet a client, the person who is selling me clothes, and he's one of my mentors. He's a really great guy, and I won't reveal his name, but he's a really great guy. And the motivation that I got over here today was unexceptional, right? This place, I've been living in Greater Noida for past 4.5 months, and for the first time I entered a society named JP Greens. This is one of the costliest society. Whosoever is living in Greater Noida, they would absolutely know that this is one of the costliest society इन ग्रेट नोएडा itself. And I believe जो भी रह रहे हैं, जो भी बैचलर्स यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, उनको भी बहुत रेयर केसेस ऐसा होता होगा दैट दे गेट टू एंटर दिस काइंड ऑफ सोसाइटी, राइट, एंड एक्सप्लोर इट, है ना. एंड इन नेक्स्ट शॉर्ट्स I'll try to show you why this society has taught me a lot, right? So the people say that money can't buy happiness. I cannot see anyone in this society who is really sad, right? And this society is exponentially great, I must say. This is lavish, this is really good. I'm on my vehicle and I'm seeing no one riding a bike other than delivery people over here. Yeah, and I saw a guy who's riding a bike, and he was riding a Ducati. So yeah, I cannot judge him at this moment. This is the society how it looks like, right? And whosoever says like literally that money can't buy happiness, guys, money can, and please work and work how much ever you can, right? Until you have made it, until the day comes that you live in a society like this, in a place like this, in a situation where people are making a ton of money. I must say ton of money, because they are literally making it tons. They're buying whatever they wish for, they're getting whatever they like, right? And this kind of society can get you happiness. This kind of society can get you whatever you want. Just see the homes, see the cars. I saw the costliest cars over here in Greater Noida over here. I saw a Range Rover, a G-Wagon, whatnot. I saw every kind of society over here. So yeah, just letting you know, go for it, right? Work as hard as you can. Just see the beauty of it, right? एक दिन अगर अपने माँ बाप को ऐसा रुकवाना है, यहाँ इसका इनॉग्रेशन करना है, तो काम करना पड़ेगा भाइयों, ठीक है? ये सारी चीज़ें फोकट में तो नहीं मिलेगी भाई, ठीक है? मतलब ये सब सस्ता नहीं है, ठीक है? The lifestyle that people live over here, the lifestyle that they have, the comfortability that they have over here, everyone cannot have it, right? Everyone cannot actually afford it. Everyone can have it, but everyone cannot afford it, right? So the only thing over here is that work hard, guys. इसने जो आज सिखाया है ना, people playing golf over here recklessly, they are spending their time. Just see the society. This is how a society is meant to be, and this is a place where every one of you who is seeing this video can live, right? है ना? हम कर लेंगे यार, आज नहीं तो कल कभी ना कभी तो कर ही लेंगे यार, ये पक्का है कि कर लेंगे, है ना? तो शर्म मत खाना किसी भी चीज़ की, एकदम मेहनत रख के मेहनत करना, ठीक है? जस्ट सी द प्लेसेस, सी द होम, ठीक है? रख के मेहनत करना, और बस कर लेंगे यार.